Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. Welcome to my cooking channel. Hello my family. Today we are going to prepare cassava. You're most welcome to our video. Follow me on how we are going to cook for cassava and chicken. So I'm going to begin with peeling the cassava. So I'm just cutting it into small pieces. I'm going to wash the cassava. So this is our chicken we are going to have with it. So for the chicken thighs, I'm just going to cut it a bit like this. So I'm going to boil it like for 5 minutes, the chicken and the cassava. So this is the saucepan I'm going to use for boiling with some water. I'm going to add in some garlic for nice aroma and taste. Plus salt and some turmeric. So I'm going to place in the chicken, and then I add the cassava on top. I'm going to add in some more turmeric for color. So I'm going to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now I have finished to boil our cassava for 5 to 7 minutes and the chicken, so I'm now going to put it aside to cool. So I'm heating the saucepan that I'm going to use for deep frying the cassava and the chicken. I'm now going to add the cooking oil. Just I have to deep fry it until they change to golden brown. Now this cassava is done. Different. I'm going to put it here in this bowl. So this one is ready. So on this pan I'm going to fry some onions in it and some garlic. I'm going to add some paprika and black pepper. I'm also going to add some coriander. And tomato sauce. Now I'm going to add the cassava. If you have been following me up to now, that means you liked the video. Just don't forget to hit on the subscribing button below in case you're new. And for my returning subscribers, just hit on the like button and share so that other people can also see how you prepare food in Uganda too. I'm going to add the chicken too into the masala. So my family, our food looks so yummy. As you can see, our chicken looks so delicious and yummy, and also our cassava is looking so nice and delicious. So I'm just going to serve. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, hit on the subscribing button. See you in my next video.